Tired of struggling with hair thinning or slow hair growth? Want a natural solution to help boost hair growth without harsh chemicals? Let's make a DIY hair growth serum using natural oils that promote healthier, fuller hair. Start with a small glass bottle or container to mix the oils together. First, add 2 tablespoons of castor oil, known for its ability to nourish and strengthen hair. Next, add 5 to 6 drops of Rosemary Essential Oil. It stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, promoting faster hair growth. Then add 3 to 4 drops of peppermint oil. It helps to invigorate the scalp and encourage healthy hair follicles. Close the bottle and shake it well to mix the oils. To apply, massage a few drops of the serum onto your scalp in gentle circular motions. This will improve circulation and help the oils absorb better. Leave the serum on for at least an hour or overnight for maximum results. After rinsing, you'll notice your hair looking shinier, fuller, and healthier. Consistent use of this serum will help you achieve stronger, faster-growing hair naturally.